Hello, friends. Welcome back to another session of my trading signals. Today is the 17th of September, so already past half the month. So we got basically this day for Bitcoin has been very volatile. My predictions actually told you that, yeah, look at this, was going to be possibly very volatile. Yellow always means either range or volatility. So if we actually go back, we can see it's actually kind of in range and with some volatility. So kind of both things right there. We saw a very big dip, which my model predicted, and we saw a recovery right after. So this is of course on the 4-hour timeline. You will see different signals according to different hours. Okay, I'm just showing you because some people might be new to this signal stuff. So this is very good. For example, look at this massive long, really good from the first signal non-stop all the way right now, 1.40%. So and just as good as the short one. So you can see that Bitcoin very volatile day. Let's just go and stick with this 30-minute chart because this is usually the time frame that I traditionally used, and maybe some people actually like this. So we got, like I told you, a day in range with some volatility right there. So yesterday, 16, we got a full-on green day. Yeah, look at this. If we measured this 16 from the very start, around here, to the very begin, to the very end, we got it around there. So almost 1% change going up, and that's exactly what I told you it will happen in my predictions. Look at this, 16 fully green. So we got basically Bitcoin is already entering what I believe is going to be kind of dangerous territory. Okay, I predicted red wicks for the past two. None of them came to pass. Very rare, very, very rare. This is such a massive anomaly, in my opinion, because all my tests, these are extremely well. So the fact that I missed two of them kind of makes me think that this month looks like complete market manipulation. Some things are not really doing as usual, and it's not me saying this; it's many other people. So we got this time around. Many of these days will be possibly corrections. I see a red box right there. We are technically already entering this range of days from the 17 to the 20, where we're going to see some corrections. But at the same time, many of these days are also enclosed within that same range, 18 and 19 for green. So we got potentially very volatile days coming up, and that will possibly be reflected in the indicator that I have built. So after that, especially after the 21, around that day, I believe could be the worst period for the entire month of September, just for Bitcoin. Okay, maybe other altcoins will perform better or even worse, but according to the prediction, Bitcoin will have a very bad set of days around this, basically around the last days of this week and the first days of the final week or the next one after that. So that's what we can see. Again, right now, the model completely bullish. Let's just go for longer time frames to see what it's actually looking like right now. So yeah, look at this full on bullish signal right there on the 6-hour time frame, 12-hour time frame, again bullish, and let's go for 18-hour time frame. Okay, so not bullish yet, but it's very likely that it will happen very soon. Let's go for 1 day time frame. Fully bullish, as you can see. Actually bullish since the 2nd of September. Extremely good. I mean, imagine taking this long, man. I mean, if I had just developed the model by then, man, so very good, so good. So that's what we got for Bitcoin. Let's take a look at IOTA to see what it's going like for IOTA. So interesting. For the daily time frame, we got actually a correction right now. It could actually reverse, but maybe it won't because IOTA has not really been performing that good in the last days. Very good, especially around the first days of September. But right now, that's not looking like it's the case anymore. If we go to the 4 hour time frame, let's go. It's barely just forming a bullish pattern right there some time ago. So 4%, something like that. So kind of decent, I believe, for a perp. Some quick profits with some perpetual trading. Uh, Again, I don't really have the prediction for IOTA anymore. I don't think what I don't even know what happened. I mean, either it got deleted by accident or something like that because I completely lost that prediction, and I can make it again, but I have the notes on my notebook, but it's kind of a waste of time. I'm already doing so many things. I'm so busy, and many of these new projects that I'm really creating, developing, will be very amazing to you all. Okay, so right now let's just go to what the indicator says could happen. So, like I said, bullish on the 4 hour time frame. Okay, let's take a look at the 12 hour. So bullish as well. So maybe the next day will possibly be bullish, or at least kind of in range, avoiding corrections. Again, if I were to say the Bitcoin prediction could be a roadmap of what's coming ahead right there in this range of days from the 21 to the 24, which is still kind of far from now, from today, but it's going to get increasingly close as we go through these days. So yeah, the next days could possibly be more in range for IOTA. Maybe not as good as Bitcoin, but the fact that we got a bullish signal right there and it's a very strong candle, I can basically almost confirm that it's going to keep going even higher in the next day at least for tomorrow. Okay, maybe by then things will change and other things will start to develop. Because again, if we go back to the one daily time, basically to the daily time frame on IOTA, we got currently on a correction, but this could change maybe tomorrow. Okay. In any case, as you can see, it's very much in range compared to the start of the week. So we are basically just recovering from these massive corrections that we saw on the very first days of this week. And that basically tells me that it's very likely that IOTA will form a range again for this week, possibly a bearish, yeah, bearish range. I don't really see any chance for a bullish range for IOTA unless something really crazy happens. Because again, look at this, perfectly in range right now compared to the start of the week. So yeah, possibly going a little bit higher than this. This already forms like some sort of resistance, barely just breaking above. So the next one after that could possibly be right there. Okay, so let's just start changing it already because these levels I already talked about them previously and they are basically previous levels. So some of them will not apply. Yeah, this sounds good. Yeah, this looks good to me. So yeah, I will target this range, this line, this green line, as the possibly highest position that it can go in the next coming days. I don't see it going anywhere higher than this. After that, it will basically rebound. Maybe this will then act as support and then break below the support. Okay, so it's going to basically go. Where is this stuff? Okay, so IOTA will possibly go up, test this new resistance, and after that it will go back down, possibly hard. That's what she said. So that's all I have for you guys. Again, Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for the work. Stay tuned because I will be making the Telegram group very soon. I already finished some of these details. The signals, I already have them. It's going to be a test with some people, maybe with some of my closest friends or my best supporters. I still don't know yet because I have so many things to do, but that's what you can maybe expect for the future, very near future. So like, share, and subscribe for the work. Follow me on Twitter, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.